So good afternoon, sir. I'm a representative for Team Flow, and we're tasked to provide the solutions for tailoring services across Greater Accra. Now, as we all know, tailoring is one of the most important services that individuals require for maintaining their wardrobe. In today's fast-paced world, people have busy schedules, and finding time to visit a tailor for alterations or repair can be challenging. Additionally, many people struggle to find reliable and trustworthy tailors who can provide high quality tailoring services at reasonable prices. This at times often leads to frustration and inconvenience for those in need of tailoring services. Therefore, there is a need for tailoring service application that connect customers with professional tailors who can provide quality and timely tailoring services at their doorstep. There is a need also for convenient, dependable, and user-friendly tailoring services that connect with different professional tailors providing high-quality tailoring services at affordable prices, also offering hassle-free and time-saving experiences. With the advent of technology, tailoring service has become easier and more accessible with tailoring service application. One of the biggest problems that most customers face while using tailoring services application is the lack of customization options. Many applications offer a limited number of designs and fabrics choices, which do not cater to individual needs. As a result, customers may have to compromise on their preferences and settle for less than what they desire. This lack of customization options can lead to dissatisfaction and may cause customers to switch to other applications or services. Moreover, the lack of transparency in the pricing model is another problem that customers face. While using tailoring service application, many applications may not clearly mention the pricing structure, leading to misunderstanding and disputes. This can be a significant problem, especially for customers who require regular services. I want to be assured of the costs. So basically, what we are doing, as per the problem statement, the solution we are trying to provide is to make sure that the customers have varied options so that they can not only rely on just one person, but they can try as much options as possible to find the one that suits them. And that will be basically it for the problem statement. I'll be handing it over to my guy, my member, who will be taking the introduction in the next video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Hello, my name is Cedric Osusese Davide with ID 10692524, a member of Team Flow. So the task given to us was to do a presentation about tailoring, a system that will actually work on tailoring. So we were able to gather a database of 126 different tailoring shops. And so what we notice is that there is not an effective system that actually works for both tailoring, that actually works for tailoring designers and clients at the same time. And even in some cases, you actually notice that the system even doesn't exist at all, and the system is actually manual. So the name of our system is called T services. So what is T services? T services is a a service application which serves to bring tailors and designers closer to existing and prospective clients. As I was saying before, the what happened on the market is that tailors have their shop. So when as a client I want a particular design of a cloth, I can either go to the tailor or go to the designer. So I have to go to their shop basically. So this purpose of the system is to avoid that and make everybody actually tailor designers and customers or clients to meet on the same platform, on the same system, and then take a business from there. So another a purpose of our system is actually to help to streamline the entire tailoring process, making it easy for customers to order clothes and custom designs from tailors. Again, a customer, I mean, not always don't have time. I mean, a customer is not he doesn't always have time for to go to the tailor shop. He has other responsibilities, he has other things to do. So we actually want to make it easy for customer in terms of cost, in terms of time efficiency, in a way that, or such a way that customer doesn't actually need to go to the tailor shop, or he can just with the touch of a button, just, I mean, connect with the tailor or connect with the designer and talk about business, talk about the designer, talk about which type of clothes he wants, the price, and everything. So basically making it easy for customer to order custom designs from tailors. So the last purpose of our application is to enable customers to create custom clothing orders and manage them from start to end. So what happen normally on the market of what the market is that, once again, as a customer, if I want the cloth to be made for me per the tailor, I have to go to the tailor shop. I mean, by all means, I have to go to the tailor shop. So when I go to the tailor shop, I have to keep following up on my order, on my request. How far is the work done? Is there any issue that the tailor is facing? Is there anything that I have to come for? I mean, a lot of questions are asking ask. So with this system, it will actually enable say customers to actually do that follow up directly from the app without them to be coming to the tailor shop and wasting time and wasting money and everything. So thank you. Giving the floor to my colleague. Alright. Thank you.
Hey there, my name is Arolua Desanya, the group leader of Team Flow. Here to talk about the value proposition of T services. First, let's talk about what's the meaning of value proposition. By value proposition of T services, we mean what our app offers that most other apps do not offer. So basically, we're talking about the benefits and the advantages our apps have has over the competition. It's pretty staggering when you think about it. Yeah, according to statistics, there are over 17 million internet users in Ghana, which approximately makes up over half of the country. Which means if you come to Ghana and pick two people as random, one person uses the internet pretty frequently, as it's up to 5 hours per day. And basically, it's crazy when you think about it that there's no tailoring service apps that helps bring tailors customer to customers. That helps bring tailors closer to the customers at the click of a button. That's what that's what that's what we created T services for. T services helps provide you with convenient and hassle-free way to have your clothing altered or customized according to your preferences. So basically, the main function of T services is to help bring tailors at the click of a button. All you need to access tailors is just to click. So it's pretty staggering when you think about it that there's no tailoring service app, so it helps bring tailors closer to customers. The Tenorship's application is a very valuable tool because it helps for both customers and tailors alike. With the rise of technology and mobile apps, it's very convenient, especially as we're entering digital age, for customers to be able to talk to tailors and have access to tailors at the click of a button. So basically, the value proposition of T services lies at its heart of helping customers to be able to find tailors in and around the area. So basically, a customer can log into T services and it shows them basically tailors that are close to them and are in and around the area they can talk to. So basically, if a customer comes into the app and wants to like and doesn't have his own personal customer which is not on the app, they can browse other tailors and see which of them suits their taste in according to price. Maybe they make the same. Maybe the price is cheaper, so they're able to afford them, or or they make the clothes they actually want them to make. Another value proposition of T services is the ability to offer customers personalized and customized services. This will enable customers to be able to customize their outfits and choose basically what outfits they want to make. So they're able to make so they're able to talk since this service has a chat system, they're able to talk to tailors about what they want in their clothes. So, for instance, if they want traditional clothes mixed in with some modern fashion, they're able to get that done. Or if they don't make alterations to their clothes or want they're not happy with it, they're able to talk to tailors. So able to make sure they get what they want. It's customized according to what they want. It's fits to them. It's specific to them. Another another value proposition of T services is the convenience of having their clothes delivered to them without having to leave their homes. So basically, one of the main value proposition of T services is basically you're able to go on the app, make an order, get what you want without ever having to step out of your home. It makes it very convenient, very hassle free, especially when you think about the hustle and bustle of Accra, the when you think about the traffic congestion, it's basically you can just sit in your parlor, open up the phone, click on the app, get to talk to Taylor on what you want, get the clothes you want, and get it delivered to your front step, all without having to lift a finger. So it's a very solid deal if you ask me. Another value proposition lies in another value proposition, especially when we talk for this part, when we talk about the tailor. A value proposition for a tailor is tailors are able to expand their reach. Tailors are able to get customers which on the normal they won't be able to get because basically can be seen by tons of customers who use the app. This will help increase profits and increase the amount of customers the tailor have. Any tailor wants increasing the customers they have. So to me, it's a pretty good deal. Another benefit a tailor gets is the scheduling tools and payment processing. So basically, the T services also help the tailors help schedule their processes and tell them when the clothes is due and when it's not due. So basically, a tailor can work to that schedule to meet that process. So in conclusion, to wrap up all I've said about the evaluation of T services, T service is a tailoring service application which has numerous value propositions that can benefit both customers and tailors. The convenience, customization, and personal services offered by T services make it an attractive option for those looking to have their clothes tailored or altered to have their clothes tailored or altered. For tailors, the application offers increased visibility and access to potential customers, as well as tools to streamline their operations. Overall, a tailoring service application can overall T service will help revolutionize the traditional tailoring industry, making it more accessible and efficient for each and every customer, agent, or tailor involved. Thank you. So my teammates will handle it from here and talk about the functional requirements of T services.
Hello, sir. My name is Oshintade Kudusopin, a representative of Team Flow, and I'm here to talk about the functional requirements of the T services tailoring app. It's going to be an app that's going to feature a lot of stuff that's going to help with